Hello everybody, welcome to Praxi TV. Today we're going to talk about OnePlus Buds Pro and explore all the promises made by OnePlus brand regarding the earbuds and if they stood to their point or not. Let's dive right into the video and see if OnePlus has kept the promises versus delivery. Let's talk direct reference points from their website and see if they stood to their point. First major claim of OnePlus is active noise cancellation, or in short ANC. Company claims up to 40 decibels of smart adaptive noise cancellation. Let's have a look on it one more time. There's an emphasis on the word adaptive. What does it mean? Well, to my knowledge, most of the other companies provide ANC which can cut off external noise up to a certain level of various frequencies. But here we have a new technology in place where OnePlus Buds cut off unnecessary environmental sound to make your listening experience to next level. After my usage, I feel this is perfect for me. When ANC is on, I get more clarity of music which I'm listening to with all the unnecessary environmental sound blocked to my ears. But the best part is, you'll be still able to hear some important sounds from your surroundings, like when your baby is crying out loud, I can hear it with my ANC on. That's just for a fun video. The major thing which it cuts off is the background music playing on your Alexa devices, or the fan or AC hums, heavy thunders from outside. All those unnecessary sound is cut off to your ears. OnePlus provides 3 settings on noise cancellation front, from faint, smart to extreme. I personally always leave it on smart, where it takes care of all the required settings by itself and adjusts according to my surroundings. And I would admit, it does a pretty good job over there for this price point. I would definitely recommend this ANC quality for this price segment. Next, let's dive into the opposite of noise cancellation, which is the transparency mode. Well, they have impressed me here once again. I've used few of the earbuds in the past where this feature is available, but especially on the OnePlus Buds Pro, transparency mode sounds very natural. Other earbuds I feel like Mitchell amplifies sound and doesn't sound natural at all. But here, the sound you are hearing, everything is very natural and you even forget that you are wearing earphones. Also, when you're playing music with transparency mode on, it's a very well balanced pace where you are aware of your surroundings without compromising your music quality. Additionally, one more thing which I noticed, not sure if it's only me, when transparency mode is on and your music plays, you feel more of the sound stage effect and the music coming from different places. It's just a personal opinion. If you also feel the same, please do drop comments down section below. The next big promise that we are going to discuss is on batteries. OnePlus claims 38 hours of playback time with the case when ANC is turned off and 28 hours with the ANC is turned on. For Buds alone, it has 7 hours with the ANC off and 5 hours with the ANC on. The charging case is powered with 520 mAh battery and each earbud is loaded with 40 mAh battery. They also provide 10 hours of listening time with 10 minutes of warp charging. That's pretty impressive. When I tested it, all worked like a champ. Just to give you a real life scenario, I binge watched Money Heist Season 5 Volume 1 over the weekend. The total runtime is about 4 hours 30 minutes. I was watching at 50% volume while toggling between ANC and transparency mode. When I finished the season watching, I still had like 40% of juice left on the earbuds. Now you do the math. While we are talking about the batteries, let's not forget to mention wireless charging compatibility. OnePlus Buds Pro case is Qi certified wireless charging compatible. Just place it on the charger and whoa, it's charging. It's that easy. I personally prefer this mode of charging than looking for a Type-C cable hooked up to your wall mount. In fact, I didn't even know where the charging cable which came within the box is still lying unpacked. Next promise is water and dust resistance. OnePlus claims Buds are built for IP55 water and sweat resistance. This means Buds can withstand splashes of water from light to heavy rain, sweats from your workout and wet hands. This doesn't mean Buds can be immersed in underwater, so stay away from doing that. Apart from this water resistance, it can still withstand small dust particles which is size of like 1 mm size. Another best part of this is OnePlus Buds case comes with the IPX4 ratings which can withstand light splashes of water, so you don't need to worry about carrying a charging case in your rain or getting wet from outside in any scenarios. This is good to have features as most of the earbuds in this price segment don't even have it. Next promise is set of features which works only with OnePlus region flagship phones and not available for all other devices. The first one is LHDC, the high definition audio codec, 94 millisecond ultra low latency for gaming and Dolby Atmos support. Unfortunately, to test out these features, I do not have a compatible device like the OnePlus 9 series. But OnePlus claims these can be achieved only when the buds are paired with the recent flagships. I did a small research on these features online and found out it's to be working as expected. So they do fulfill their promises here. About latency on other devices, I personally do not feel there is any lag while watching the video or playing casual games on my iPhone 12, so we are good here. Now coming to the main segment of the audio quality, let's consider 4 major claims from OnePlus to evaluate the audio quality. The first one is the OnePlus Audio ID, secondly the powerful and punchy bass, third the earbud fit test, and fourth the 11mm dynamic drivers. Audio quality out of the box is good, and to enhance and fine-tune as per your hearing capabilities, there is a small test which is available under the HeyMelody app, which plays beep sounds of various frequencies and is asked whether you are able to hear it or not. This is done for both your ears. Once this is done, your personal profile is created for you. Trust me, I personally feel I got the right outcome here. I can feel the difference from the stock music quality and when enabled the ear ID. This gives me a crisper highs and a deeper bass. Coming to the next claim of powerful and punchy bass, OnePlus has scored 100% here. You can definitely feel the rumbling bass even at 50% volume. And I forgot to mention, these earbuds are pretty loud with 11mm dynamic drivers. There won't be a single instance where you have to cross the volume over 80% of your device unless you want to damage your eardrums. Apart from this, there's no option to do a earbud fit test. This basically plays a sample music and check for any audio leaks when you're using the current ear tips. Run this test and set it up until you find the good fit. To combine all 4 features, let's now discuss about the audio quality. Man, I would say OnePlus have it. The mids are crystal clear, the highs are sparky with all the details, and the bass, ooh, they hit at the right spot. Okay. How to put it in words? Let's say you're listening to music in your car stereo hooked up with a dedicated amplifier for your subwoofer and the component speakers with tweeters. You know what I mean? That is the sound quality you get out of these earbuds. You have it all year OnePlus. This earbud is definitely not for you if you don't love bass, so stay away from it. Now let's take on the call quality. OnePlus claims a crystal clear call quality which are calibrated for wind and noise cancellation. As per the claim, they have done a pretty decent job here. I tested it out on real life scenarios and it's working as expected. While I have phone calls, the other person can hear me very clearly and my voice is not muffled, breaking up, or even sound like I'm talking from a distance. And with some minor background noise, they don't feel any. They feel as if I'm talking directly on the phone and not on any earbuds. This is achieved with a 6 microphone setup with 3 mics on each side and a curved body stem design which helps you to reduce the background noise and filter out only your voice. OnePlus scored 100% here in this segment too. Let's check out the lost promise, the Zen mode. In the recent part, everyone is going through a stress due to the recent pandemic, work-life balance, personal stress, etc. So taking a break and cut off from the rest of the world will help you to concentrate more and refresh your mind. OnePlus stepped in to help you out here using Zen mode. To activate Zen mode, press and hold either of your earbud stems for 3 seconds and you enter a virtual world with nature and you have a variety of soothing sounds to choose from. And let it play, you will feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Once again, this is one of exclusive feature in OnePlus Buds Pro which is not available in any of the TWS. Nice thinking here OnePlus. Here we are at the end of the video. Throughout the video we have seen all the pros of this earbuds. Let's not forget the cons. We have few to discuss here. First off, customization. There are only few basic customization, actually not few, only one customization which can be done to your earbuds. The only customization what I see is like either to switch between the previous track or activate the voice assistant on the triple squeeze. The basic setup is a single squeeze for play pause, answer end calls, double squeeze for track forward or reject calls, and triple squeeze that can be customized through the previous tracks or activate your Siri or Hey Google. And there is not even a control to toggle your volume. You need to reach your phone each time to adjust the volume. You let us down here OnePlus. Next con is the EQ presence. There's nothing more you could do to tweak your EQ support apart from sticking to stock or enabling your ear ID. They sound awesome by the way, but why not have a EQ option as any individuals have their own preferences when it comes to music. I believe both the cons which I mentioned here can be fixed via an OTA update in the near future. Hoping to see them added soon which completes the requirement needs of any individual using a set of Pro earbuds. Overall, if you ask me if OnePlus has kept all their promises, the answer is yes.
Amazing!
Thanks for watching this video until the end, and if you like similar videos to be released in the near future, please do leave a comment down below, and a sub to my channel would be awesome. I love you all guys. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye bye.